So today we are going to discuss about the driving of tractor. So how we can drive the tractor. So before going to driving the tractor, first of all you can check the fuel. You can check the fuel in fuel tank with the stick. You can dip the stick and you can see that the diesel level in tank. So after that you can check that if it is adequate fuel, then no issue. If it is there, it is not there, then you can fill the diesel. Then after that you can check the transmission oil. Engine oil is there, lubrication oil is there, transmission oil is there, gear oil is there. So already we discussed all the systems, and you can check the all these oils are present or not. Then you can check the radiator. So the water is there or not, you can check it before going to start the engine. If it is not there, you can fill the water. And then go for belt. Fan belt is there. Sometimes what will happen, the belt sometimes worn out. So then you can check it before going to start the engine. Otherwise what will happen, the fan will not going to run, then it is not going to cool the water, then automatically the engine is going to heat it up. So that you can check it before going to start. And then you can check the lubrication oils, and then you can go to the engine oils. All this you can check it. And then battery, coming to the battery, so you can check that before going to start. If the adequate current is there, then it is going to start. Otherwise what will happen, low battery will be displayed. Then you can see that the charging is there or not. Otherwise you can fill with the distilled water or sulfuric acid. Then coming to that, so while we are taking that the starting the tractors, first of all you can lower the levers are there. Two levers are there. Those are the hydraulic operating levers. You can loosen that. You can down the earth, and then you can take that the neutral of this gear lever before going to start. Okay, so after that what we are going to do, you can neutral that position, and you can take that the hand brake in starting mode, and then you can press the clutch. Okay, once you can press the clutch, after that you can start the engine. You can on the key on position, then it is going to start the engine. So like that you can take. So here you can control that the gears also there, and you can control that the speed through that brake system. So brakes are there, two rear wheels, we have two brakes. You can control the speed with the brake. And accelerator is there. If you want to increase the speed of the engine, then you can press the accelerator according to your speed, according to your gears. So if it is first gear, you can press that much speed only. Then it's second gear, third gear, fourth gear, top gear. Then based on your speed, you can press the accelerator and you can increase the speed. Okay, this is the starting of the tractor engine. And while you are stopping that, so before going to stop, you can press the clutch. After that you can press the brakes. First you can press the clutch and then brake. Then after that you can keep in neutral position that gear system. Once you are keeping in neutral position, then you can stop the ignition. So this is the starting of tractor and stopping of. So first you can press the clutch and you can start the ignition.